Let's look at this problem. F of x minus 3 over x plus 1 plus f of x plus 3 over 1 minus x equal x. Let's find fx. For this kind of problem, normally we let y is the argument of the function f. Then we solve x with respect to y, and then we plug x with respect to y into this equation. Let's see how we can do this. First, we let y equal the first argument of function f, x minus 3 over x plus 1. We solve for x equal y plus 3 over 1 minus y. And then we plug x equal y plus 3 over 1 minus y go into the second argument of f. Then the second argument equal y minus 3 over y plus 1. Therefore, from equation 1, with respect to y, we have f of y plus f of the second argument, but the second argument equals this. Therefore, f of y minus 3 over y plus 1 equals x, but x equals this. So we plug into equation 1, we have y plus 3 equal 1 minus y. So now we have the another equation with respect to y. Similarly, we let y be the second argument of equation 1. Then the same thing, we have x equal y minus 3 over 1 plus y. And then we plug x equal y minus 3 over 1 plus y go back into the first argument. Then we have the first argument equal y plus 3 over 1 minus y. Therefore, from equation 1, we have f of the first argument, which is of this fraction, which is this. And then the second argument, which is y. Therefore, we have the equation 3. By combining equation 2 and 3, we have fy plus fy, 2fy. Fy minus 3 over y plus 1 plus fy plus 3 over 1 minus y equal the y plus 3 over 1 minus y plus y minus 3 over 1 plus y. Replacing y by x, we have this equation. Now pay attention that this group exactly equal x from equation 1. Therefore, we have 2fx plus x equal the right side. After simplification, we have 8x over 1 minus x squared. Therefore, f of x, 2f of x equals 8x over 1 minus x squared. We move x going to the other side, become minus x, equal x cubic plus 7x over 1 minus x squared. Therefore, we have fx equal this expression, and done.